Hello friends, what's up my friends? In this video I will show you the live price prediction, the currently change occur in an Enjin coin, what's the current status of Enjin coin, what's the price change and what's the high price of Enjin coin. I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. In my wish to also hit 3k subscribers, so please help me and reach me 3k subscribers. Thank you so much. I know you subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So friends, as you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction of the Enjin coin in the last 1 hour, currently price prediction of the Enjin coin live you are watching now. Positive 0.1% chance occur in the Enjin coin in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Enjin coin is about $3.25 is the high price of Enjin coin, friends. And now if we look the currently price, so the currently price of the Enjin coin as $3.24%, sorry, to $3.24 is the high price of Enjin, and this time that is the last 1 hour price prediction. So friends, as you can see here on the chart analysis, so they are now currently they are ready for a big explosion, they are ready to high, they are goes to moonshot. So friends, congratulations to all Enjin coin holders. As you can see here, now let's see the last 1 day price prediction, what's the change goes and the last 1 day. Absolutely a massive jump occur in a Enjin coin. As you can see here, the change is absolutely a good change occur in the Enjin. Positive 30.35% change occurs in the Enjin in the last 1 day. And if we look, the high price is absolutely a good 3.34% change occur in the Enjin coin, as you can see here in the last 1 day. That's the high price of Enjin coin. So friends, if we look the chart analysis of the Enjin coin of the previous last 1 day, so as you can see here, at this time they continuously jumping upward, they are ready for explosion. But if we look the last two hour price predictions, last 2 hours they fast down for a little time. And now as I show you in the start of this video, the last 1 hour the current price prediction of Enjin coin, so currently they are again ready for now big explosion. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 1 hour and last 1 day, as you know, the both changes are in positive. So my suggestion for you to please hold your Enjin coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion of the Enjin coin are coming soon. So wait for it, and they will make you a millionaire. So my suggestion for you to please hold it. I'm also hold my Enjin coin with the last of this month, because I want to make a high profit with the Enjin coin. What's your opinion about Enjin coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe IB Stake channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.